everybody need a trust?
No, not everybody needs a trust. Let's first talk about a trust, what that is, and why you would even want potentially. In Ohio, if you pass away and an asset's owned by you, it was in your name when you passed away, without a beneficiary, without a joint owner with rights of survivorship, then that asset's going to have to go through probate, even if you have a will, because people think if they have a will, that avoids probate. It does not. So we want to avoid probate. A trust is one mechanism that can be used to avoid probate. There are other ways, but a trust is a really good way that we use, where you can title your assets in the name of the trust, and depending on the kind of trust we use, you can still maintain control of those assets, do whatever you want to with them, get rid of the assets if you want to. If we're just solely looking at avoiding probate, we put a revocable trust in place. Another way of thinking that is you could call it changeable, and you maintain control with that kind of trust. So whatever we tie into that trust avoids probate. And some other neat things with that trust is we can also spell out if somebody passes away, such as one of your kids before you, and things go to their children and any of them are too young, we can name a backup manager, backup trustee to watch over their assets till they reach a certain age. So the key here is we want to keep things out of probate, and we want to figure out the best but also the simplest way to do that. And that might be a trust, but it might not be. Sometimes people come in and tell me they need a trust. And I said, well, maybe. I don't know until we start talking over their family dynamics and the assets they have to see if that's really the case or not.